Kain po tayo. Sausaw natin sa suka. At mainit na kanin. Thanks for cooking, Daddy. Hello there, mighties. On today's video, we are going to grill pork belly or liempo. What I have here are 3 pounds of liempo. And in a little while, we are going to marinate it. For the complete ingredients and measurements of the marinate recipe, please continue watching. So now we are going to add 6 cloves of garlic, chopped. Next is 1 tablespoon black pepper. And then, maglalagay naman tayo ng 2 tablespoon lime juice. And then, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Ito ang makakapagpatamis sa ating liempo. Lalagyan din natin siya ng 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or toyo. Then, 1 tablespoon of salt. At lalagyan din natin ng chicken bullion. 1 teaspoon chicken bullion or isang cube. For added sweetness, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Pagkatapos ay hahalu-haluin natin lang siya until kumapit na ang ating ingredients sa lahat ng baboy. And let's let it sit and marinate it for about 30 minutes to an hour. Habang i-marinate natin, i-ready na natin ang ating grill. Apayan na natin yung ating charcoal at para dumikit na ang apoy. Don't forget to give us a like. At painitin natin muna ang ating grill bago natin isalang ang ating pork belly or liempo. I suggest one tip that I can give you ay ilagay na natin lahat ng ating pork kahit na konti lang yung charcoal natin para at least naha-half cook na yung iba. Pag tinakpan natin siya, maha-half cook na yung ibang pork para mas madali natin silang maluto. Takpan at iwang bukas ng kaunti yung takip para hindi lumakas yung apoy. Habang hinihintay natin, gumawa tayo ng ating sausawan. We have here red chili pepper, garlic, suka, black pepper, at konting asin. At i-mix lang natin ito. Siguradong masarap itong sausawan para sa ating liempo. Check na natin ng ating iniihaw. Baligtarin kung luto na ang unang side. At hintayin lang nating maluto ang both side ng ating pork belly. And now, here's the finished product, ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys.